Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning, compass. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.